Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you makeup transformation from natural to glamorous makeup. So I'm preparing my skin with Biotique moisturizer because these days my skin is getting very dry. So I feel this moisturizer is best moisturizer for me. So I'm using this dark purple eyeshadow just in the outer corner because I want to contour my eyes, and this technique works best especially on Asian eyes. Even you won't believe, when I go out, people, they don't recognize me without makeup, so they always ask, is it you? Oh my god. When I wear makeup and go out, it's like a huge transformation. And I think everyone wants to look beautiful, especially girls. Alright, once I blend the color all over my crease, I'm gonna use the second color, which is called Cranberry, and it has a shine, so it is highly pigmented eyeshadow. Want to intensify the corners with black eyeshadow, which is in matte, means does not have shine. Guys, blending is very important. If you are beginner, I would suggest you to try with empty brush on someone's face or eyes, so that you will get to know the brush movement and the techniques. As I told you, my skin is getting dry these days, so I'm using a Studio Sculpt foundation from MAC. This is a gel based foundation, and this is good for dry to dehydrated skin. Can you see the application of the foundation, how smooth it is, and it's giving me a glow. So I think you guys love the glow on your skin. Though my skin is quite dry, but still I have to use a compact so that it will help me to set the base on my skin. I'll quickly contour my face and apply the blusher. I almost complete my look by using the lashes. These are my previous one. You can use it many times, depends on how you keep. Basically you should keep them safely and clean. Remove the previous glue and apply the fresh glue over the rim before using it. This is what I call the makeup transformation. Can you see the difference between both the side with makeup and without? I look totally different. I'm loving my look. You can see my eyebrows, my eyes, lips, everything is enhanced by using the makeup. How can I miss the highlighter? I'm using the golden highlighter I got from the limited edition from MAC. You can see the reflection of gold is not very yellow. So this is perfect highlighter. Today I want to keep my lips nude with this look. That's why I'm using the lip pencil all over my lips, and I will combine with the natural lip gloss. Don't forget to check the description box because I have written all the products details there so that it will be easy to find out for you. I hope you are enjoying the makeup tutorials and learning the makeup techniques from my videos. In future, if you want me to improve my video or anything particular you like it or you want me to do it, you can comment in the comment box. And I would say thank you so much everyone to watch my videos and support me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be coming soon with many makeup tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.